Safe trading. Choose the exchanges that offer 100 collateral. What is 100 collateral? In a centralized exchange for trading blockchain assets, users' assets are recorded by the ledger of a centralized database. The recorded assets in the database are the total amount of the user's assets. Collateral is the amount of users' assets held by the exchange through an audit of a third-party institute. If the amount of the coin owed and controlled by an exchange is higher than or equal to the total number of the coin held by all of its users, it means that the platform provides 100 collateral. How to prove 100 collateral? Gate.io adopts the innovative Merkle tree method to store each user account's hash value of assets in the leaf nodes of the Merkle tree. The third-party audit institute audits those assets in the leaf node of the Merkle tree and verify all the users' collateral held by the platform. The Merkle root is then published alongside the auditor's findings in a public report. The hash value of users' total assets are open to the public. Any user can independently verify the data through an open source and public verification tool, which allows users to compare their balance data with the Merkle root. In essence, 100 collateral ensures that the exchange can meet the full withdrawal requirements of all users at any time, without the risk of a run caused by a concentration of user withdrawals. As the first cryptocurrency exchange to provide 100 collateral, Gate.io successfully provided users back in 2020 with professional and trusted asset verification services. In July 2022, Gate.io officially started its second 100 collateral third-party audit. Gate.io continues to be committed to creating a safe, open and transparent digital asset trading environment. Gateway to crypto. Trade over 1,400 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily.